Welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare sweet potato fries using the Ninja Foodie Deluxe Cooker. The sweet potatoes are root vegetables and tubers. They come in many varieties with different colors, shapes, and sizes. This particular sweet potato has a reddish-brown skin color and has an evenly fat middle, while this sweet potato is shaped like a football with tapered ends. Both sweet potatoes have an orange flesh. They also have a soft texture and sweet taste when cooked. When I visited Puerto Rico last year, I many times ordered sweet potato fries to accompany my main dish. In our culture, we tend to eat a lot of fried foods. Sí, comemos muchas frituras. Air frying is a healthier option to enjoy fried foods, less calories and less fat. Keep in mind, however, that when you use an air fryer, you may not have the level of crispiness compared to deep frying or pan frying. Make sure you read your user manual in its entirety before operating your unit. Let's start with mixing the seasoning ingredients for the sweet potato. In a small bowl, add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of light salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix until well blended. We are ready to peel and cut the sweet potato. Some sweet potatoes are thin on one end and fat on the other end. Try to use a sweet potato that has an evenly fat middle for consistent shaped fries. The first thing is to cut off both ends. You can use a potato peeler or sharp knife to remove the skin. Rinse the sweet potato in cold water once it is peeled and pat dry with a paper towel. The sweet potato is very dense, so use a sharp knife to cut it in half lengthwise. Place the flat side down and cut lengthwise into approximately 1/2 inch slices. Take each slice and cut into at least 1/2 inch sticks. Place in a bowl. Here we have 1 sweet potato cut into 1/2-inch fries. The total weight is 10 ounces. We want to lightly coat the fries with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. For your information, a regular potato has a higher starch content compared to a sweet potato. Therefore, it is not necessary to soak the sweet potato to remove the starch like you would for a regular potato. It's time to season the fries. Add some of the condiments on top of the fries and bring the bottom fries to the top. Sprinkle some more condiments and turn the fries over several times to make sure to coat them evenly. Before we start air frying the sweet potato fries, you should preheat the air fryer to reduce the time for cooking and crisping the food. Also, make sure to attach the diffuser to the bottom of basket. In order to achieve a crunchy and crispy texture, the fries should not overlap in the basket. For this reason, I am only able to place a limited amount of fries into basket. Therefore, we will be cooking the fries in 2 batches. By the way, depending on the size of the sweet potato, the raw fries can have a weight between 10 to 15 ounces. I am going to place the cook and crisp basket in the pot. Let's close the crisping lid and preheat the unit for 5 minutes. Turn on the power and select the Air Crisp program. Set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the time to 5 minutes. Press the start and stop button to begin. While the unit is preheating, sprinkle some cornstarch over the fries. I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into this mesh strainer. The cornstarch will provide a crispier texture to the fries. Sprinkle some more cornstarch. And mix to coat them evenly. The unit is preheated. Let's start air frying the first batch. Carefully place the sweet potato fries in basket and arrange them in a single layer. Space them evenly apart for consistent browning and crisping. Close lid and select the Air Crisp program. Set the temperature to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the time to 20 minutes. Press the start-stop button to begin. We will check on the fries after 10 minutes of air frying. After 10 minutes of cooking, let's open the lid to check on the fries. They are starting to cook and crisp. you can already see some darker spots on the fries. Turn them over carefully and space them apart. The fries are very hot. Close the lid again. The cooking process will automatically resume when the lid is closed. We just finished air frying the first batch of sweet potato fries. Open lid and check them for crispiness and doneness. These sweet potato fries are golden brown with darker, crispy spots. They are ready. Place them on a wire rack to cool for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat this process for the second batch of fries. When you place the sweet potato fries on the wire rack to cool, make sure to space them apart to avoid any steaming in order to crisp. These sweet potato fries are crispy on the outside while tender and sweet inside. Sweet potato fries can be served as a side dish to accompany your main course or as an excellent healthy snack. Ketchup or mayo ketchup is often provided as a dipping sauce. Garnish with cilantro. My father-in-law was a farmer in Alabama. He would bring us a big box full of sweet potatoes. He told me that you only pick the sweet potato needed for cooking without moving the other sweet potatoes. By moving the other sweet potatoes, the sugar content inside the potato will move from one side to another and will cause the potato to spoil much quicker. Our box lasted for 1 year without spoiling. Let's taste an air-fried sweet potato. Crunchy on the outside, tender and sweet inside. Que rico! It is perfectly seasoned. Serve the fries while still warm to enjoy the crispiness. Once they cool completely, I notice they are not as crisp. You can hear the crunch. I might as well finish it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this YouTube video on how to prepare sweet potato fries using the Ninja Foodie Deluxe cooker.